Sub-Zero Freezer Repair Service in Los Angeles specializes in Sub-Zero freezer repair that consists of Sub-Zero refrigerator freezer repair, Sub-Zero chest freezer repair, Sub-Zero deep freeze freezer repair, Sub-Zero walk-in freezer repair, Sub-Zero stainless steel freezer repair, along with all other Sub-Zero freezer models. If your Sub-Zero freezer's not cooling or your Sub-Zero freezer's not working, maybe your freezer runs all the time or your freezer's leaking water, maybe your freezer has defrost drain problems or the freezer coils are frosting up, maybe your freezer indicator light is out. Whatever the problem, we can help. Call us today at 877-309-7770.